Hello, Kate here from the Chiro Tree. Today I want to have a chat to you about neck stretches, particularly if you're getting tension running up on the neck or running down into your shoulder. Just a really nice stretch that you can do in the morning or perhaps when you're sitting at work and you want to take a break. So first stretch is bringing the ear to the shoulder. You're just going to grab the side of the head and simply bring it down, and you'll feel a really beautiful stretch on the side there. With this hand, you can either sit on it or place the hand on the lower back, and what that is going to do is bring the shoulder in the opposite direction to increase that stretch. And you want to hold that one for about 30 seconds, and then of course you're going to switch over and do the other side. My second really favorite neck stretch exercise is you're going to do something similar, but this time you're just going to turn your head to 45 degrees and you're dropping your nose towards your armpit. Okay, so nose into armpit, grabbing the back of the head and gently guiding that neck down. This time you'll feel the stretch more towards the back, and again, that opposite hand can come underneath or behind your back, and you're just going to be holding that stretch for 30 seconds. And then of course you're going to switch over and drop that nose in towards the armpit. Give those stretches a go. It really helps people have tight shoulders or they're sitting at the computer for a really long time, or perhaps you're waking up in the morning with a stiff neck. So two of my favorite stretches to do in the morning, and of course before you go to bed at night, holding 30 seconds each. Look forward to hearing how you go.